Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video on my channel. Today we are finally gonna go again hunting, and we are starting at Smith's Toys Superstore, and here we have the hammer drop set, and sadly of it only these two models are hanging, which are both not interesting to me. Boulevard isn't being updated for months. The Silhouettes Liberty Walk 720S is cool, and the Fast and Furious as well, but I don't want to collect them. Also, my question in the comments, is this DeLorean Alpha 5 from the Fast and Furious actually in the movies? Because I've never seen it. Anyways, let's go to the other silver lions hanging on the pegs. Here we can see some neon speedsters on the bottom, some bigger stuff. Here we have some in my opinion, exciting 2-packs. This BMW 2-pack I wanted to buy. Down there, the Toyota Server Team Transport I didn't even see when I was there. I only saw the Jaguar Mark 1 and the Range Rover Team Transport, which I didn't bought either. Here we have some 5-packs, but these 5-packs sadly don't have the Formula 1, which I am searching for currently. And yeah. These neon speedsters have some interesting models, but I saw that they mostly have the McLaren F1 GTR and the Cadillac ATS-V race car, or whatever it's called like that, which I already have both collected. The Corvette and the RX-7 are both not really interesting to me, and yeah, great camera as always. But yeah. But what I saw when I straight came into this place, first of all, this 10-pack with the Hot Lamborghini, really nice with the Huracan. The set that I picked up right here was actually very interesting, but I didn't buy it at the end. But what I did buy for sure is this diorama set, which is actually the Advent diorama set, which I was looking for months. However, after I picked it up, a store employee came to me and asked me to please not record, even though I was like in the store and especially in that aisle completely alone. But yeah, I respected it. And in all the other stores I've visited, I sadly couldn't record because either the employees didn't want to have their stuff recorded, which is totally fine, or there was simply too many people, which I didn't want to have on my camera either. So yeah, I'm gonna skip now for you to the moment where I arrive at my sister's place, and I'm gonna show you step by step each one that I have bought. Spoiler, it's not really much actually, but I'm not disappointed and I'm not mad at all, especially because of the diorama set. Okay, I arrived at my sister's place and we are gonna start with the main lines. Here we have the 2018 Honda Civic Type R in this really beautiful red color with the white cameo, I guess you could say. This Honda Civic is really nice. It's one of the newer generations, but I don't mind that personally, and I didn't have it yet, so I picked it up. What I picked up as well is this 69 Mercury Cyclone. I didn't have this, and I want to start a collection of American cars, especially older American muscle cars, because I really like them, and this Mercury is a really nice model in my opinion. Another American muscle car which I have already, but I bought another one, is the 67 Ford Mustang Coupe in this white with red details, because I really like this one, but I'm gonna leave this one sealed because I already have one loose from another hunt. One thing that I didn't have from a hunt yet is this BMW M1, or the completely new BMW series. From this series I only picked up number 1 and 2. Here you can see the entire series with the BMW M1, the M2 from 2016, the 1992 M3, the M4, and the 2001 BMW M5. I only have the first two actually, but the BMW M1 is for me a really historical and nice model, and I wanted to collect it actually, so I went and bought it. Same goes for the BMW M2 from 2016. The BMW Motorsport sticker on the windshield is actually a really nice detail, but you're gonna have to wait and see until you watch the unpacking video because I'm not doing it in this video. One thing that I obviously bought is this diorama set because I was on the search for it for so long. And as you may know, I have the Mini GT, Advent Livery, Nissan Silvia S15 Liberty Box, and these three, especially with the Aero Lift truck, fit perfectly. Now I have 4 cars and 1 truck in the same livery, which is really nice. And what I note, I'm a little spoiler for when, little damage, but I didn't mind actually, because I'm gonna open it anyway. One thing, when I opened it, you're gonna have to wait a few days to see this video again. When I opened this video, I actually thought the Aerolift has gotten a rework or a revamp, so but I'm not quite sure, and I'm still at my sister's place, so I can't really check on my other Aerolifts I have at home. But yeah, with this we are already at the end of the video for today. Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you enjoyed, why not leave a like and a sub to the channel, and then thank you so much for watching until the end. Have a wonderful day ahead, a wonderful time, and bye bye.